2024 is coming, and if you still don't know how to use AI to make money, then you are at a big loss. Well, there are so many examples of people making thousands of dollars every month. If you also want to be an AI millionaire in 2024, then this video will teach you all about that. Let's get into it. Number 1. Start an article writing agency. If you're looking for a side hustle that will allow you to make money creating articles, launching an article writing business that utilizes AI writing software is a fantastic option. You have the option of writing the copy yourself or assembling a group of AI copywriters. In either case, you will be capable of producing blog content of high quality in a timely and effective manner. You'd also be able to swiftly and effectively scale your business, whether it's a full-time endeavor or a side hustle. AI technology will make this possible. You won't have any trouble producing high-quality articles that companies would gladly pay for if you take advantage of ChatGPT and AI art's features. Number 2. Generate AI content. Selling content is a popular internet income source. Ads on blog entries and sponsored social media postings are common ways to do this. For a sustainable income, you must regularly create fresh and engaging material. AI can help you brainstorm, research, and write faster. Jasper can write blog posts, Instagram captions, and YouTube scripts. Just give the tool a descriptive idea, and it will write the content. If you don't like the stuff, Jasper can modify it. Use DALL-E's AI-generated art to decorate your blog articles. If you need a simple drawing quickly but can't afford an expert, this is a good choice. AI-generated material still needs human editing and approval. Check the content for accuracy to give readers reliable information. Number 3. Create online courses using AI. Developing online courses is not only a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your profession, but it is also a fantastic method for generating financial gain. It is feasible, with the assistance of AI software, to improve how you display and sell your lessons in order to attract a greater number of consumers. To get started with the market research phase, you might make use of AI technologies. For instance, if you want to develop a course on programming, you might want to think about using ChatGPT to gather information on the most effective programming languages so that you can more precisely define your ideal students. After that, the AI tool will provide you some suggestions as to what the subjects and contents should be. In addition, certain AI software gives you the ability to generate appealing marketing texts that convey one-of-a-kind value propositions to buyers, which assists you in selling the courses over the internet. Number 4. Do freelance coding with AI. If you want to do freelance code, you might want to use AI tools to make your work easier. The AI system in software like ChatGPT is based on natural language processing, NLP, which can help you with a lot of boring coding jobs. NLP-based software is a great way to speed up the process of documenting code, which can take a lot of time. It can make documentation automatically based on your comments or how you describe the code in a common language. You can also get help with your studies from AI apps. A lot of the time, programmers need to find tools or bits of code to fix bugs in their work. With artificial intelligence, it's easier to get advice on how to solve the problem. Additionally, NLP AI technology can help look over and examine your code comments to find problems or places to make improvements. Number 5. Provide an AI integration service. Finance, healthcare, and retail can benefit from machine learning and AI automation. As a computer expert, delivering AI integration services to corporations is lucrative. Business intelligence can also benefit from AI. Online marketers need to know customer behavior. Predictive analytics from AI can improve customer, market, and trend detection. To find similar themes and attitudes in client reviews and feedback, an agency could employ NLP models. Doing so can help them write ads that address their target audience's demands and concerns. Machine learning can help retailers offer AI chatbots for customer assistance. You can train the AI to recognize keywords in client messages and answer common inquiries from a database. Number 6. Offer AI consulting services. Another way for an expert in artificial intelligence to make money is to work as a consultant for bigger businesses. A lot of businesses still don't know how to best use AI because it's a fairly new technology. In order to do this, you need to know a lot about both the AI system and the client's business. Find out what your client wants to change first. You should look more closely at their current systems, processes, and problems to find places where AI could help. Then make a plan that describes the AI integration services you want to offer. This could include the exact methods and tools you'll be using, as well as the time frame for putting the plan into action and the results you hope to see. AI consulting services can be a good way to make money if you have the right skills, plans, and methods. Number 7. Invest in AI-focused businesses or funds. You could also invest in a business that uses AI instead of starting your own. Since AI is becoming more famous, a lot of new companies are starting up that use AI. These companies need money to grow. It's possible for investors to make a lot of money over time as AI technologies grow. These purchases can also help diversify your portfolio, which may lower your risk. Still, putting money into businesses is hard and needs a deep understanding of the market. Before putting money into AI, make sure you do your research. AI in a business or product doesn't always mean it will be a good way to make money. Take your time to look at the basics of the business and its goods. Number 8. Become an AI product affiliate. It can be very profitable to sign up for an AI product affiliate network. AI-related goods and services can be sold, including data analytics, machine learning software, and cloud-based infrastructure options. You may take advantage of current market trends and use them to your advantage by signing up for an affiliate program. You will get access to the business's beneficial resources, like promotional materials, customer support, and even product discounts. With the aid of these technologies, you can increase audience reach and enhance your marketing efforts. Making money by using already existing items is a possibility, but AI technology offers considerably greater potential. Experts can take advantage of more opportunities to use artificial intelligence to make money if they have a deeper understanding of the technology. Number 9. Use AI for web design. Having your own website and managing it gives you a wide variety of chances to make money. A website that looks professional and is designed professionally is a good medium for reaching more audiences and customers online. This is true whether your goal is to sell products, monetize content through online advertising, or participate in an affiliate network. The rapid development of artificial intelligence has made it simpler for anyone, regardless of their level of technical expertise, to construct their own website and generate income from doing so. There are now several website builders available, and many of them feature AI-powered tools that make the process of constructing a website much simpler. For instance, the AI heat map function included in Hostinger Website Builder is designed to assist users in determining which aspects of their websites are more likely to draw the attention of website visitors. Number 10. Speech recognition technology. Last but not least, the field of speech recognition technology is another AI-powered area that has significant potential for the establishment of profitable businesses. It is possible for enterprises and app developers to include voice recognition software into their offerings, which will improve the user experience while simultaneously generating additional revenue streams. So, due to its quick growth, AI is an excellent way to make money. If you want to watch more money-making videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below.